Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks from Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So girls, it is over. Today bring some special beautiful crochet skirt ideas. Every type of beautiful skirt, long skirt, short skirt, midi skirt, mini skirt, scatter skirt, pleated skirt, flare skirt. Different type of beautiful crochet skirt ideas for modern girls, slim smart fit girls. Beautiful ideas, crochet pattern and different design. Very nice, beautiful ideas and beautiful colors. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. Different designing, different ideas. And you can wear this beautiful crochet skirt with your beautiful crochet blouses, matching blouses, top blouses. Very nice. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet skirt ideas, different type of beautiful crochet skirt. Very nice, hopefully like this. Beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Most demanding crochet pattern. Follow my channel, like and share my video. Very nice, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas, and follow my channel. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about beautiful crochet pattern, crochet dresses and different type of crochet pattern, free ideas, fingerless gloves, handbags, panchu, scattered dresses ideas, skirts, blouses. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz.